Good evening, everyone, and maybe good morning also to some parts of the world. People are here connected to from every part of the world. So yes, we'll be starting the Google Earth Engine course from today, and it will be a 2 days course. And in between, if you have any doubts, any questions, any problems, please let us know. So the Google Earth Engine course will be taken by Mizanur Rahman. He's from Bangladesh and he's a GIS expert. He has been working in Google Engine since years. So he'll be taking the classes for the next 2 days. Okay. So, yes, yes, Ms. Anur, you can start the class. And yes, I've given you permission to share.
Okay, ma'am. And can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay. Hello and welcome to this beginner's course on Google Earth Engine. I am Mijan and I will be your tutor for no go in deep of Earth Engine algorithm, basically Google Earth Engine, and use them practically. And this is course for only beginners who don't know about Earth Engine and how to start this Earth Engine tool. I hope everyone will enjoy this course. So this course is mainly 2 days course. Our course content will be detection using satellite images, introduction to image classification, land cover classification map, exporting raster and vector data. This is our course content. And I will be covered this course content 2 days. I will try to discuss about what's the Google Earth Engine, how does the work of Google Earth Engine, and what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine, and lastly, how you can start this tool. So now I have a question. Do you have any extra experience with using a Google Earth Engine?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any?
I have
Okay,
used this.
okay. Mainly, what programming language you used?
So JavaScript coding along with I am used with Python too. But for JavaScript, I've used Google Earth Engine Code Edit.
Okay, good. So mainly here we can use mainly two types of language. Number one, JavaScript and Python. But JavaScript is more advanced. So in this course, I will try to show you how to start this Google Earth Engine tool using the JavaScript API.
Anyone else has
So far,
experience with coding?
oh,
So
do you have any experience to coding in this person?
any other students who have experience? No. Okay. Okay, no problem.
Okay, okay, okay. So first thing, what is GE? So first of all, Google Earth Engine is the short form of GE. So it is a cloud-based platform where Google has made a vast amount of remotely sensed data accessible. It's over 40 years of satellite imagery, including in their Google Earth Engine datasets. Also, you can upload your own dataset or integrate your public available data in Google Earth Engine and use them. Apply range of common algorithm to do data. And finally, export these images, tables, chart, or map outputs. So it is a unique platform where you can perform highly interactive algorithm development at global scale and across large amount of data quickly and efficiently. you can simply access and process the data using the JavaScript API or Python API. Here I mainly use the JavaScript API. So then what is the application of Google Earth Engine? So mainly this application is detecting deforestation, secondly classifying land cover classification and estimation forest, biomass and carbon. It also mapping the world roadless areas, assessment of plant health status. You can also do the air quality monitoring and water quality monitoring, flood mapping and damage assessment. You can also do in using the Google Earth Engine platform, drought monitoring and burn severity mapping and so on application you can do in Google Earth Engine platform. So Google Earth Engine mainly focused on society's biggest challenges. First of all, deforestation is a big problem in our world in this moment. Drought, climate change is a big issue. Disaster, disease, global food security, and sustainable development mainly focused on society's biggest challenge on Google Earth Engine. And then why this is important? Can you tell me why this is important? Anyone?
Yes, so this is an interactive
Yes, sir.
talk. Yes. Yes, please, Arshad.
Sir, once again, the data is so heavy that we need so much computing power to address the big issues that you have highlighted. Like if somebody is
Yeah.
working on drought for global analysis, so our computing powers are not that much efficient to do the analysis for us. So we need to rely on some cloud-based platforms. Sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. So I start. So mainly it's reduce our time to do analysis, and by running analysis across a thousand of computers, for example unthinkable tasks are now possible for the first time. You can access here the petabyte types of data easily and efficiently. You can calculate it all of possible using the all of possible algorithm easily, and efficiently you can get your result. But when you use the other software just ArcGIS or QGIS, you cannot do in the same way. And secondly, it has a new features that will make your analysis easier, such as tools that pre-process the image to remove clouds and haze. You can easily remove your clouds and haze from using the algorithm from the Google Earth Engine. And collaboration and standardization by creating a common platform for global data analysis. And you can also do for global data analysis, and you can easily understand what is the difference between one country to another country and understand and collaboration to each other. And now I discuss what are the pros and cons of using the Google Earth Engine. So this has a lot of advantage. You don't have need to struggle with finding the data set and downloading what you need, since everything is available online. You can easily access the all of data, example Lancet, Sentinel, Modis, and all of data, all of raster data. You can easily access your code editor and simply implement your all algorithm and use your result, and access to petabytes of data and more on way. So Google computing power has fast analysis. You can do your fast analysis easily and efficiently, and but it has also some cons. Some programming required, you need to want to know some programming, basically JavaScript or Python you want to know. And it's also depend on your internet connection activity, and it also primarily focus on raster based imagery and lack of mature and detailed documentation. But when you use the JavaScript API web based platform, here you can also see the all of documentation and all of algorithms easily and efficiently, and also to learn and apply in your algorithm. So JavaScript API is a more advanced, so here I use this API or website platform. So how does the work? Main question, how does the work? So you can write custom of codes in your web processing or cloud computing platform. These codes then get sent to specialized servers, and in a matter of seconds, these servers send you a response. Currently, you can use JavaScript and Python are supported, but in this course, I will use JavaScript. And this is the main website of the Google Earth Engine. Here you can go, you can access the different tabs such as sign up button and dataset button, and other options are available in this website. And accessibility, you must need to online accessibility and requirements. So how can you start this tool? You first, Google Earth Engine is free to charge. To use the code editor, one needs to register. You need to register with a valid Gmail account. A confirmation usually comes within 2 or 3 work days. And after this, I will show you how to register this Google Earth Engine easily. And your computer system must be needed online connectivity, internet connection. And scope, it is mainly focused on image processing and visualization platform. You can work with vector and raster data in here. So now, how you can start this tool?